Hey there, Principal Gentry. Thank you so much for hopping on this call today. Really appreciate it.
All right. Hello. How you doing?
I'm doing good. Well, as you know, hey, your campus was chosen for our campus close-up. We're going to be at your school the week of February 23rd, telling a lot of great stories about your school, but we always like to hop on these calls to kind of get a feel of what we're going into. So talk to me, what can I see, or what will I expect when I walk into your doors at Sterling High School?
So when you walk into Sterling High School, the first thing you're going to see that I'm super proud of is our hangar. We are known for our aviation program here. We're actually the only HISD school that has this big focal point here at Sterling High School. You're going to see students engaged in the learning, in core classes, and all elective classes too. So we are very excited to have all these great things here at Sterling.
Very nice. What was the name of that program again? Your audio went out just a little bit. What was it called again for our families?
It's our Sterling Aviation Program. We are a magnet for aviation. We produce pilots here at Sterling.
Very nice. So correct me if I'm wrong. So students, when they take this program, they walk out of or they graduate from your school ready to go into the workforce, right?
Right. And
wow.
They graduate, if they continue on that pathway, they can graduate with a private pilot license.
Wow, that is amazing. With so many really great programs like that, talk to me about what's it like, talk to me about just kind of the culture around there. What's it like being a student there?
It is great being a student here. So just give you some context, I am an alumni of Sterling. So I graduated from Sterling and now I'm the principal here at Sterling. So I've seen so much growth over the years here, just in the community, and all the great things have enhanced. When you come here, you'll see students actually a lot of hands-on with our welding program, with our automotive program, and of course with our aviation program. And of course with the classrooms, our teachers are really working hard, just making sure that we have the high quality instruction in every classroom, and students are very much engaged in the work.
I like that. So a lot of the programs there at Sterling are really career-focused programs, right?
Yes, absolutely, yes.
Wow, that is amazing. Talking about it, being that you're an alumni, you've seen the growth there clearly.
Yes.
Talk to me about that growth. We talk a lot about the growth here in the district, academic ratings and whatnot, your accountability ratings, excuse me. Correct me if I'm wrong, Sterling's a B, correct?
We're a B school, yes.
What are you doing to get to that A?
Look, we're pushing hard. I already told my teachers at this time we are on our way to be an A-rated campus. We expect nothing but high quality instruction from our teachers. And when we walk into the classrooms, the teachers know that it's all students opt in, is full engagement for every student, with no student is left out behind. All students are in the work. So the expectations are set really high. The leaders here know the expectations. We have the vision of the district to improve every classroom in this building. So their opportunities are here, and we want everybody to know that Sterling is at the end of MLK's. We're like back off in the corner, but we have a lot to be proud of, and I'm just proud to be here and just be a part of this work. I was a part of the community, now I'm here. So it's just a great opportunity for me. So I'm just so happy and elated to be here and a part of this work. Being a former student. So it's so funny because I have a teacher that was my basketball coach that now she's still here. So it's just amazing that people always want to come back and give and don't want to leave.
That is amazing. When we go to your campus on Monday, I want to talk to that teacher because we got to talk to y'all, because that's just an amazing story right there.
Absolutely, yes.
I love that. Well, like I mentioned, we'll be out of your campus the week of February 27th. I'll see you next Monday, but thank you for hopping on this call and breaking down a little bit of what we can expect, and we'll see you next week.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good one. Bye.